So again we are revising. This line represents for A, this line represents for B, and here we are taking composition in terms of mole fraction or percentage. Here pure A is present, that is 100%. Here pure B is present, that is 100. This is the melting point, melting point A, and this is melting. So type of target, and this is your point O. Point O represents eutectic. Below this temperature, this point represents a specific temperature and a specific composition, where this specific temperature or beyond this specific temperature or composition we cannot separate A and B. So let's consider, we have to explain this type of points. What is the meaning of this point? This point represents both A plus B are in liquid phase, homogeneous liquid phase. This point represents A plus B is in liquid and some of the A is converted into solid. This point represents A is in solid but B is in liquid. This point represents the eutectic point. That means A is converted to solid, B is converted to solid. Apart from that, there is also presence of A solid, A plus B liquid, and this represents A plus B liquid. This is the equilibrium between A plus B liquid, B is solid. This point represents B solid plus A liquid. So this is the representation of the point, and which point notifies which type of term is represented here. So O is our eutectic point, and below this point we cannot separate A and B. So by using this type of application, we have to separate lead from silver. Lead, silver, and this is for lead, this is for silver. Consider this is for lead, this is for silver. So let's consider lead have melting point 327 degrees Celsius, silver have melting point 961 degrees Celsius. So our graph will be, and this is the point O. O is tectic. So here Pb 100%, here silver is this is the composition where 2.4% of silver and remaining percentage of lead. At this composition and temperature, we cannot separate lead from silver. We cannot separate lead from silver. So let us consider lead and silver. in which that we have lead and silver both are in solid. Consider we have taken 99.9 gram, it is 0.1 gram. We have to heat that and converted it into a homogeneous, and this liquid contains silver plus. While cooling this homogeneous liquid, we have find that some of the lead particles are converted into solidified. While some of the lead particles, when lead starts solidifying, the percentage composition of the liquid phase changes. So there is a net decrease in freezing point. So at this point, both lead and silver starts solidifying. So here I can simply write this region contains lead plus silver liquid. This region contains lead plus liquid. This point represents lead plus silver liquid is in equilibrium with lead solid. This point represents lead plus silver liquid, and Ag is converted into solid plus silver is converted. This point in this curve represents lead plus silver solid, the silver is in solid, is in equilibrium with lead plus silver. Sorry, it is our liquid. So this is the application of eutectic mixture.